Microsoft Edge development version in Ubuntu 20.04. Go to your terminal and copy and paste the first three commands from my pinned post. Just post the second command in there. I'm going to copy the third command and paste it. When that's done, you need to type sudo rm microsoft.gpg. Then type sudo apt update. And lastly, type sudo apt install Microsoft-edge-dev. Okay, when that's done, you can close the terminal, go to Applications, and search for Edge. Okay, it's going to start with a welcome screen. You can uncheck that box and then click Accept and Get Started. Click Confirm. And now Microsoft Edge is up and running on Ubuntu 20.04. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.